Hi, another tip in the series I've been doing of late, and this one focuses on the search function that's built into Bluebeam. And I just wanted to demonstrate the two different types of searches you can do. So if I combine these two drawings, these are engineers' drawings, and I'm sure you've seen these before. They're quite fiddly, or can be quite fiddly, with a lot of detail. And when you're looking for things like padstones and wind posts, it can be quite tricky, quite easy to miss stuff. Let's combine these two and get searching. Close other tabs. Right. So let me demonstrate the visual search first. So come over to the search box by clicking, it's accessed via this search icon. It'll be on one of your toolbars somewhere. There are two types of search. There's text and then there's visual. We'll show you the visual one first. So highlight that, and what we're going to do, we're going to look for a couple of wind posts that are, I know, are on this drawing. Get the rectangle, zoom in, draw a little box around the wind post icon that's been drawn in CAD. Click on search. Down here you can see Bluebeam searching all the open documents, and it's found 3 wind posts. So with the results, if you select them all, the various things you can do with the output. This second option, the check options, if you pick the drop down from that, you can highlight the checked ones, go into your drawing, 1, 2, I think the third one's down here. Makes it easier to locate them. Again, go into the check options and you can apply a count to the checked items. And if you've already got that tool created in your toolbox, just browse to it and you'll see that it'll add it to the markups list for you. You can see it's also found all the wind posts on page 2 as well, and if you had the page column turned on, page label, it would probably tell you what page that was on in this markups list as well. So that's the visual search. Let's just get rid of that, clear them, and go back to the text search. So there's quite a lot of padstones on this job, so let's search for this particular padstone here, padstone 3. Go in, PS3, search. Again, it's located 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in that dialog list. So if we highlight them all and highlight the checked, there's a little thing you need to be careful of using a text search. If you notice where I've applied the highlight, it's also picked up the PS3 that's actually in the schedule, so you're getting one too many in your printout, in your list out here. So just be mindful that you're getting the correct count. So if we go into the other page, look at all the highlighted ones, just count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's picked up the legend on that one there, so there's, it looks like there's only actually 6 of those padstones at PS3. There aren't any on here. So what I would do to overcome that, make sure I'm accurate, again I would apply a count, and we've got padstone here. Let's put it into my markups list. So if I go into that item, that entry that's been made in the markups list, and I click split all, I can then individually go in and get rid of the ones that I don't want, and my count should then be correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again you can merge the counts back to the 6. So hopefully that gives you a few pointers on the search function. Hope that helps.